Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your HBL credit card. First, activate your card as soon as it arrives to ensure it is ready for transactions. Next, take a moment to understand your credit limit, which is the maximum amount you can spend. Also, know your billing cycle and payment due date to avoid any late fees. This foundational knowledge will help you manage your finances wisely and make the most of your HBL credit card from day one. Using your HBL credit card wisely involves smart spending habits. Make purchases for items you can afford to pay off quickly. Always aim to pay your entire outstanding balance by the due date to avoid any interest accumulation, which can be significant. Regularly review your transactions through HBL's online banking portal or your monthly statement to track your spending and identify any unauthorized activity promptly. This proactive approach ensures financial health. Your HBL credit card offers a range of exciting benefits and rewards. You can earn valuable reward points on nearly every purchase you make, which can then be redeemed for various exciting options. Look out for exclusive discounts and special promotions from HBL's partner merchants, providing excellent savings. Additionally, enjoy peace of mind with features like purchase protection and extended warranties on eligible items, adding extra value to your spending. Keeping your HBL credit card secure is paramount. Always safeguard your card number, expiration date, and especially your personal identification number. Never share these details with anyone, even if they claim to be from the bank. If your card is ever lost or stolen, report it to HBL customer service immediately to prevent unauthorized use. Remember, HBL's dedicated customer support team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to assist you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.